upbeat music plays, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're comparing the GorFanty Steam Mop, a 10-in-1 floor steamer, with the Neugo Steam Mop. Who will come out on top in the steam cleaning showdown? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the price. Both the GorFanty and Neugo steam mops are priced at $119. With the same price point, it's a fair matchup. However, if you're spending this much, you want a mop that delivers value for your money. Reviewers of the GorFanty appreciate its versatility and ease of use, while Neugo users love its lightweight design and effectiveness. So both products are equally priced but offer different advantages. Now onto cleaning power. The GorFanty Steam Mop reaches a high temperature of 230 degrees Fahrenheit, boasting its ability to eliminate 99.9% of stubborn stains. Users rave about its powerful steam output and effectiveness on various surfaces. The Neugo also reaches 230 degrees Fahrenheit and is praised for effectively cleaning tough grime and grease. Both mops deliver a steamy punch, making them reliable options for tough cleaning tasks. Next up is versatility. The GorFanty is a 10-in-1 cleaning machine with a detachable handheld cleaner and a range of accessories. Reviewers appreciate this versatility, as it can handle various cleaning situations. Similarly, the Neugo also offers 10 accessories and easily switches to handheld mode, making it a versatile option as well. Both products seem to have this feature down, making it a tie. Let's discuss ease of use. The GorFanty is lightweight and features a long 23-foot cord, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning. Users appreciate this convenience, while the Neugo also has a 23-foot cord and a removable water tank for easy filling. However, Neugo's adjustable height gives it an edge for those who prefer not to bend down. Reviewers love how easy both mops are to maneuver. Finally, let's tackle drying time. Both the GorFanty and Neugo claim quick drying times, but users remind us that if your floors dry too fast, did they really get cleaned? Reviewers note that both mops do a good job of drying, but it's essential to find a balance. In summary, both the GorFanty and Neugo steam mops have their strengths. The GorFanty is celebrated for its versatility and powerful cleaning capabilities, while the Neugo is praised for its user-friendly design and effective cleaning. Each product has garnered positive feedback from users, but it ultimately depends on your cleaning preferences. So which steam mop do you prefer? The GorFanty with its multifunctionality or the Neugo with its user-friendly approach? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links. Until next time, stay smart and keep your floors cleaner than ever.